Are you an educator dreaming of selling online courses? Discover how Systeme.io simplifies the process for you. Let's get started. First up, creating a free account on Systeme.io is a breeze. Just sign up and you're in. Then, set up your profile with some basic info and connect your preferred payment gateway: PayPal, Mercado Pago, or Stripe. Next, head to the Courses section under Products. Here, you can craft your course by adding a name, description, and language. Choose from various visual themes to make it pop. Organize your content into modules and lessons, complete with text, images, and videos. Systeme.io keeps everything neat and engaging for your students. Need to sell your course? Create a professional sales page with ease. Add testimonials, calls to action, and connect your payment gateways. And don't forget about sales funnels. Build them effortlessly with ready-made templates. Customize, test, and preview each step to ensure everything works perfectly. Systeme.io even lets you set up affiliate programs to expand your reach. Ready to launch your online course? Try Systeme.io for free today and unlock endless possibilities.